All right, so this is Dr. Strombeck at Grant Bay Regenerative Medicine. I'm sitting here with Bo. Bo, about 3 weeks ago, you had some issues with the right knee. About 3 weeks ago, we did a stem cell injection in the knee. Why don't you tell me just a little bit about, kind of what you were feeling before and then how you're doing now, 3 weeks out?
Okay, what I experienced with my knee for the last probably 3-4 years is not being able to sleep all night without having to get up and rub either icy hot or CBD oil or something on it to relieve the pain. I had planned on having both knees replaced this coming January, and as of today, 3 weeks from having this done, I'll never have to have this done because I have no pain whatsoever.
Right.
Absolutely none. And actually, I could feel the pain going away. Within 72 hours after the shot, I noticed the pain I had on the side of my knee going away. And now it's completely gone, 100%. The whole knee feels 100% healthy, even though I know it's still growing in there.
Correct, yeah.
And I'm going to go easy on it, but I'm amazed. It's like, for me, it's like a miracle because now I'm going to get this knee done, and I no longer have to go through that 4 or 5 month rehabilitation, and hopefully, a successful knee replacement. I'm not going to need a knee replacement, and this one here, I don't think I will either.
Fantastic,
So
yeah.
I'm saying yes to stem cell.
Yeah, and it sounds like you've been kind of talking to a lot of your friends too. They're kind of watching you, seeing what's happening.
I am a test bunny, absolutely. I am I'm the tester.
Yeah.
They're watching me, and I've got 3 or 4 people right now that they're ready to go because they're looking at the same thing.
Yeah.
And the more people I talk with, the more people I find out how it's helped them. I had a friend that had a rotator cuff torn. She's a beautician, and she had stem cell on a torn rotator cuff. 1 week later, she was cutting hair again.
Wow.
No therapy. She was absolutely amazed that the pain went away. She was able to actually, do her job.
Yeah, yeah. So it's repairing those cells already, repairing that tissue in there. That's fantastic.
Absolutely.
All right. Well, thank you so much for sharing.
Absolutely.